Over 60 eat this first to rebuild leg strength and stop muscle loss. What if you could start rebuilding leg strength and feeling steadier on your feet just by changing what you eat first in the morning? If you're over 60, this might sound surprising, but it's something many older folks experience without ever getting a clear explanation. You wake up and your legs feel heavier than they used to. Standing up takes more effort. Walking feels a little less steady. Most people are told this is just part of getting older, but in many cases it doesn't have to be. After a full night without food or water, your body wakes up in a weakened state, and if the first thing you eat doesn't support your muscles, your legs can slowly lose strength over time. It happens quietly, day by day, until simple things like getting out of a chair or climbing stairs start to feel harder than they should. The good news is this: you don't need supplements. You don't need intense workouts. Often, the biggest improvement starts with one simple choice you make within the first hour of waking up. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to eat in the morning to help rebuild leg strength, improve balance, and feel more confident walking again, starting with your very first bite of the day. First up, whole eggs. Yep, the whole thing, yolk included. They're one of the easiest morning picks if you're over 60 and want to keep your legs strong. Eggs pack leucine, this amino acid that flips the switch on muscle repair. As we age, our bodies need a bit more of it to kick things into gear. Whole eggs deliver that naturally and fast. A study from the University of Illinois found that eating whole eggs after a workout boosted muscle protein synthesis by 40% more than just egg whites, meaning your muscles rebuild better. Folks in their 60s and beyond who've added 2 eggs to breakfast tell me they notice steadier steps and more power getting up. The yolk's got the good stuff too. Vitamin D for balance, B12 for nerves, choline for brain muscle chat, and iron to keep oxygen flowing so legs don't drag. Keep it simple. Boil them, poach them, or scramble lightly with a dash of olive oil. Skip the greasy sides. It's an easy win that builds strength without fuss. Next, oatmeal with chia seeds. Oatmeal's no fancy superfood, but for us over 60, it's gold for leg strength when you stir in a spoonful of chia. It gives slow burn energy, not the crashes from sugary cereals that mess with your muscles. Blood sugar swings can amp up inflammation and block recovery after a night of fasting. Chia seeds boost it with magnesium, potassium, calcium, and omega-3s. Stuff we often lack, helping muscles move smooth, cut cramps, and improve balance. They soak up liquid in the oatmeal, keeping you hydrated, which eases morning stiffness. Toss in some berries for antioxidants that guard joints without spiking sugar. It's cheap, warm, and gets your legs feeling lighter all day. Trust me, this combo's helped plenty feel more stable on their feet. Then, bananas. Don't skip them over sugar worries. They're a smart choice for steady legs when done right. One medium banana loads you with 400 milligrams of potassium, key for muscle contractions, cramp prevention, and clear nerve signals. Low potassium. Hello, tight calves and wobbly walks. They balance fluids and muscles too, fighting that post-sleep heaviness. Go for slightly green ones or pair with protein like nut butter or yogurt to slow sugar release. No spikes, just clean energy. Seniors I've chatted with say it cuts cramps and boosts coordination fast. Greek yogurt's a hidden gem for mornings. One serving hits you with high-quality protein, including leucine and casein, to halt muscle loss and spark rebuilding. Crucial as we age. It's got calcium and vitamin D for bones and balance, plus probiotics to aid digestion, nutrient uptake, and tame inflammation that causes swelling or stiffness. A York University study showed Greek yogurt during training led to bigger strength gains and more muscle in participants. Opt for plain, lactose-free if needed, and add nuts or cinnamon. It leaves legs energized and less achy. Finally, sweet potatoes with mineral salt. Not your usual breakfast, but try it steamed with a pinch of Himalayan or Celtic salt. They offer gentle carbs for refueling without crashes, plus potassium and magnesium for better movement and fewer falls. The salt adds trace minerals for hydration and circulation. Mash it soft, easy on the gut, and it keeps legs feeling strong longer. Every morning's a fresh shot at strength. Skip the junk, and these simple eats can turn things around. I've seen folks regain confidence on stairs just by starting right. Your legs deserve it. Choose strength tomorrow. If this helped, like and subscribe. Drop a comment. What's your go-to breakfast? See you next time.